Dr. Neeta Parante, who is an academician, entrepreneur, social worker. She is a PhD in computer management, MCA, and an MBA HR. She has a rich experience of over 20 years in teaching, administration, technical training, as well as soft skill training. Let's welcome and hear it from Dr. Neeta Parante. Hi, Dr. Neeta, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you?
Good. It was nice. After a long time we are meeting and
Right.
trying to talk. So, Neeta, you were basically a professor earlier. You started your career as a professor.
Right.
So, how long were you into this profession?
Now, if you'll see my teaching career, no,
Yeah.
I started it long back when I was doing my graduation and post-graduation itself. But yeah, in 2005, I professionally joined after my MCA
Okay.
as a professor with a very reputed management institute. I was heading a department over there, MCA, MBA, and MCM. And I was also looking after examinations. So I was
Okay.
Chief Examination Officer for Pune University. Then I worked with few more management institutes. So from 2004 to 2016, I worked with management institutes. Still I'm working, but it's like visiting faculty. I'm going in management institutes.
Okay, whenever required for
Yes. Now I'm associated with Balaji Institute for design thinking. So few MIT also I'm giving some lectures in design thinking.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, Pratibha Institute recently they've called me for neuro-linguistic programming.
Okay.
So these kind of assignments
Keep coming.
keep coming, and I used to go in wherever they call. So yes, all this is
Great,
happening.
that's wonderful. So, keep enjoying doing all
Yes,
this.
I really enjoy. Teaching is my passion, so I enjoy whenever I am between whatever corporate people, faculties, trainers. I really enjoy all these things.
Then later on you started your own preschool or
Yeah, so it's a story. Like when I get into my motherhood, at that moment of time, I feel like 9 to 5 is not for me.
Okay.
And it was very difficult for giving like that work-life balance was very difficult. So then I get into business. I started my first preschool. So that was in 2010.
Okay.
The journey was like from 2010 to 2016. I ran my preschool, and then I get into training institute. So I started Neeta Training
So
and
there's a
Consulting.
transition from schooling you went to
Yes, I closed
Teaching.
down my first
Training.
preschool. It was a franchisee of IPL Island, and then I started Neeta Training and Consulting Services, which deals in training, coaching, mentoring. And at that moment of time, actually from 2010, I was doing this teachers training program,
Okay.
which is for pre-primary and primary. To become teacher,
Good teacher.
Montessori teachers training, nursery teachers training courses, this is required.
Okay.
But awareness issue is there. People don't know that. So that's why sometimes we face some issue because mostly we have to educate people first. But yeah, we do all those kind of trainings.
trainings.
Yes. And
You are
apart-
also into corporate training. I think.
Right, yes.
And you know different verticals.
Correct. So we do have some corporate training, and we are having some recorded courses. So
Okay.
more than 40 courses we are having in the recorded mode. So different like coaching we work, business coaching we work,
Okay.
neuro-linguistic programming we work. We have some therapy related things also like meditation, mindfulness. So we have different vertical.
Many of them.
Right, more than 40 courses we are having.
And you also done a lot of certification and you have got a lot of awards
Yes.
and all, which is remarkable in fact.
Yes, so it's like, of course,
And I think the
MCA.
period duration is very short, like very in a shorter span of time you get so many
Right.
certifications.
So I never
and
stop learning.
there's
Yeah,
so many awards that have been awarded to you.
right. From childhood itself, the journey started now, so
Yeah.
still it's going on. So still I'm learning.
Momentum is there.
Yes. So double PG, पहले MCA हुआ, then PhD हुआ,
Wow, my
then
God.
MBA हुआ. So firstly degree
So
programs हो
many
गए. Then I do more than 40 certificate and diploma courses from London University.
My goodness.
I write 3 books, then I have published more than 100 research papers, and still going on. Like one of my book will publish very soon.
What are the 3 books that you have published?
So now
What is it about
awaken the real guru within you.
Okay.
This is what is my upcoming book. And previously 2 books that were technical books because I taught to MCA students. No? So one was on C language and one was on database, DBMS, database management
technical.
system. Yes, they were that were technical.
When is the third book coming out?
Third coming very soon. Already it is ready,
Okay.
and I have already launched it on many platform. Amazon पे बस आना बाकी है अभी. आने वाला है, बहुत जल्दी. Mostly next month.
Okay.
It's
Next
awaiting.
month it should be coming.
Yes, yes.
So what are the challenges that you faced? Because I see a lot of transitions, right? Earlier you were into teaching as a professor, then you started your school, then you moved into training corporates.
Right. Now
Teachers
challenges,
training.
list of challenges, very.
Few of them, many that you have
So,
overcome, many of the challenges, but
of course, in job
maybe one or two where you can, which you think
Right.
was a turning point in your life.
So that was the turning point when I actually get into my motherhood, and I thought came in my mind that I should now start my own something. So of course, entrepreneurship journey is not that much easy.
Yeah, because everything you have to do.
Yes, at that
You are
time,
responsible for everything and
correct. So there was no support, and even I was not knowing much of the things. No, so I invest a lot of money by putting a lot of efforts, and then it failed drastically like anything. Then again I bounced back, and then again I restarted everything. So first, as I was already mentioned, 2010 I was started my school. So from 2010 to 2016, it was a very good successful model.
Okay.
But then due to some reason, I have to close it down. And then it was like I need to leave my job also. So there was a lifetime wherein everything was like khatam, finish, khalas.
oh my
No income source, and I was into debts also because
Oh.
financial crisis has also happened. No, I put more than 16 lakh at the time of franchisee, taking the
Uh-huh.
franchisee itself, and then of course making it sustainable business model. We have to put a lot of money and all. So yes, that was one of the biggest crisis. And then again I restart with this NITA training and consulting services, and then it booms like anything. We grown up to 100 centers, and then it was like booming, and then suddenly Corona came. And when Corona came, so lockdown happened, and because of lockdown, schools were also closed. So how come someone will do teachers training course? So again there was like all the center closed down. And then again it was like we restarted with online courses, and then धीरे धीरे गाड़ी चल रहा था, तो अभी लाइन पे थोड़ा सा पटरी पे आया है.
The
And
beauty
then
is you always fought back.
right, yes,
Every point of time you bounce back.
bounce back, and this is my third bounce back. So this
Wow.
is now third at school.
It makes you more stronger every time.
Yes, actually
How is online classes now?
yes,
Because-
online classes are going on very well.
So they're doing very well in fact. in many
Because
places.
now we could now it
People
the
have got
place
used
is
to
not
it.
the restriction.
Yeah,
No? Like we are available for everywhere.
everywhere, any part of the world.
Any part of world. So we are having we are taking training globally now. It is not restricted to only Pune. We are training people from each and every part of the country. Even small village people are connected
Right.
with us, and even globally people are connected with us. Many of my students are from Canada, USA, UK. Then there's some countries like this UAE and all. Dubai se kuch hai. So many of the foreign students also we are
Oh,
having.
now it becomes more.
Yes.
The reach is geography is not there. The world is
Right.
shrinking in fact.
Indian education industry is the biggest industry in the world,
Oh.
and it's growing very fast. If you will see the preschool industry from 2022, means the compound annual growth ratio, it was like total it's 27% ratio say it's growing on.
Okay.
And
27%.
yes, so 3.8 billion was a ratio in 2022, and 2028 it seems to be 8 billion complete market ratio. So that in that way it is growing. So industry is very big, and preschool industry is growing very fast. So of course, if you will say where I want to see myself, so yes, our current target is we would like to grow from 1 school to 100 school. This year itself till December. Next year target till March 24 is we would like to grow up to 200 preschool, and of course. So of course globally we would like to see ourselves growing millions and billions of branches, and everywhere Neeta should be a brand. And as school
Neeta is
grows,
already a
like-
brand, I suppose.
yes, of course, Neeta is a brand.
You are a brand.
But now NG Group will also become the very famous brand, because whatever things we are bringing now for society, it's actually going to help people, and whatever students will come out of the schools, they will actually going to have something very different.
Very good.
Yes,
Foundation
yes.
and
Yes, at foundational level itself, we are taking care of
making them strong.
very crucial things which needs to be taken care. And we are also incorporating Indian culture, Indian values. Means simultaneously, if you are making them right student, we are not forgetting our ethics, our principle, our values. So we are
Our
incorporating those things also.
Okay, that is great actually.
Yeah.
And how are you planning to expand? You are having franchisees or?
Correct. So now we are looking for franchisee partners,
Okay.
because if we would like to grow, we need people,
People,
and we should have
Reach out to
collaborations, we should have investors. So of course we are looking for authentic people who really wants to add value in education industry and wants to see better India, better future. So yes, we would like to have collaboration with people by running our franchisee centers or whatever kind of collaborations in terms of our teachers training courses or whatever other courses we are having. So yes,
What about in
through
terms?
this.
What about in terms of corporate training? You also do corporate training, right?
Right. So now my focus is only training the trainer, because we are into teachers training. So now I'm making that only my main focus, and that's why even at corporate level also these kind of skills required. So of course we are giving those skills, but generally what we do is campus to corporate, whichever like students hiring in the industry at that level of time, they need that induction, no?
You mean
Wherein
the
yes,
campus
for
placement?
bridging that gap
When they're picked up in the campus.
from campus, and when they are going to corporate, so whatever that gap is there, to bridge that gap, whatever skills required, so we work on those skills. So it comes from all sort of skills, not only communication skills, not only corporate skills, but again we are working making them holistic development of them, so that now they were students, they were getting everything ready made, but now they are in corporate.
Okay.
So how they should behave, what should be the culture they followed, everything. So we work on that skills also. Apart from that, technical skills, whatever required for that particular industry.
That's great. So finally, what are your advice to the students, or in general, people want to start off, like you want to look for franchising, or
Okay.
so what is the advice for people who want to start
Correct.
or be in the same industry?
Right. So yes, I'll not say advice, but whatever struggle and whatever kind of experience I have in
You
my
have gone
life, with that I could say ki yes, first thing is consistency is the key to success. We should be consistent. Whatever you are doing, identify your strength and work on your strength. And be consistent, because now this is my third bounce back. If I would have stopped, then what might have happened? Nobody might have seen Dr. Neeta.
Right.
You might have not come here for take my interview.
Right, very much.
So yes, consistency is the key to success, and that's what they have to do. Practice, whatever thing you are doing. And yes, of course, when you are actually looking for long-term success, no, then it is not like me only. It should be like what contribution you are doing for society. What is going to how you are contributing positively toward the growth and development of the society, nation. So all these kind of thing parameters also you need to take, and that makes you successful. That makes you stand out.
Yeah, that's true. As a leader, you have to.
Yes, and that leadership qualities come when you think about others. So people management is
Others are very important, but for any growth for that matter, people around you matter a lot.
very much. And you should actually, being a leader, you should actually able to guide them properly, nurture them properly, and people management. You should know
to
whatever
manage
field
people.
you are. If you don't know the skill how to manage people, then it's very difficult to sustain in any industry, any damn industry. So people management skill is very important when it comes to you are going whatever success ladders you are going into, but you should know that basics.
So nicely you have put it across.
Yeah.
And it will be very useful to our viewers also. So thank you so much, Nisha, for giving your time.
Thank you for
It
giving
was
me
a
the
pleasure talking to
opportunity.
you.
Same here.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Take care, God bless you, and wish you all the luck
Thank you so much. Thank
to
you.
expand globally, internationally.
Please do like, subscribe, and watch.